Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Stories with Mrs. Aldridge. Today I'm going to be reading to you Bear Snores On, and it's written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Do you know what it's called when animals kind of like sleep during the wintertime? Do you know what that's called? It's called hibernation. And so Bear is hibernating and his friends are going to join and watch. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through a long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. A lair is his cave. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "Let a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. A lair's like his den. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear chew. Oh, he blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. I like the Hare. Look at him. Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. Bear gargles and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He looks mad. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me? I was sleeping and I've had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Blubber means you're just crying. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Oh, that was nice. Bear gulps and bear gobbles and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Isn't that funny? That is Bear Snores On, about hibernation. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.